Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I have paper. It's Hewlett Packard paper. I would always buy like a cheap paper. I don't know if you've ever bought like a paper for printers and stuff, and I bought a new printer just so I could print some labels and things like that. I mean, I'm not printing a ton of stuff, but I had gotten some cheap paper before from my other printer, and the stuff just starts feeding multiples through. So I've started always buying this Hewlett Packard paper for some reason. It just seems to work really good. It doesn't get stuck, and it feeds through good. But also the thing I liked about it too was it just seemed lighter than all the other papers. And then I realized, somebody told me about this, that this 92 brightness, where normally the paper is like 90 brightness. So this one here is a brighter white than normal other paper. So if you're gonna print like something important or good in color or something like that, doing that 92 brightness, you're not really gonna print pictures on here necessarily because it's not shiny paper or anything. But I mean, you could, if you're gonna, I guess you could, it just won't be shiny. That was what I learned. So that's what the 92 is in a 20 pound. That's just the different pound weight for the number of sheets. I think maybe it's 1,000 sheets equals 20 pounds or something like that. But then it's got all the different whiteness and brightness and numbers here and stuff like that. But I'm not even sure what all that stuff is. But this is a 500 sheets, and you can kind of see it's just a normal thickness. I was getting some of these ones that were like the higher thickness of paper too, and those seem to want to get jammed as well. So back to normal size paper for these. But I like this one, and that's it. I'm going to put a link to this in the description, so if you need some printer paper, you can get it. Link in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I know it's weird that I did a review of printer paper, but just figured I'd let you guys know which kind I like. Okay, bye.